Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Estrin presenting a magnificent Bechstein semi-concert grand. Bechstein is regarded as one of the finest pianos in the world, and when you hear this instrument, you'll understand why. It's a unique voice, and the craftsmanship on this 1927 Bechstein, completely rebuilt and refinished in Europe by the grandson of the Hamburg Steinway factory rebuilding shop, and absolutely magnificent work. The beautiful action, fully modern action, 3 pedals, absolutely modern piano from an age when Bechstein was making some magnificent instruments. Let's have some music. I'm going to start just at the beginning of Chopin's A-flat Ballade. The action is so smooth and precise, and what a clear, rich sound. What does Mozart sound like on a piano like this? Let's hear just a little bit of a slow movement of his K283 G major sonata. Ah, such a gorgeous sound. There's a middle section to revisit some Chopin of the G minor Ballade that I always love to play because it shows so much in such a little amount of time. We're going to end here with the middle section of Chopin's first Ballade. You know, I must have played this ballade on 1,000 different pianos, and yet here on this Bechstein, it brings new voice to the music that I love so much. And I'm wondering the impressions you have of this voice, of this piano. You know, everybody knows the sound of Steinway, maybe Bösendorfer, but Bechstein are so rare in this country particularly. To have one like this to play, I can tell you this, I treasure the time I'm spending with this piano. Again, I'm Robert Escher, and this is livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me.